हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? टुडे आई एम शेयरिंग अ यूनिक फ्यूजन आर्ट पीस that brings together two different yet equally delightful worlds. Are you ready? I am making a cheerful cupcake and a calming mandala, and I call this piece Cupcake It Out. Let's begin the process. I started with a simple sketch on my art journal using a pencil. First, I drew the outline of the cupcake, the iconic fluted wrapper, and a cute topping, in this case, a chocolate stick and a strawberry. I wanted the cupcake to feel joyful and comforting, something that instantly lifts your mood. If I talk about the mandala grid, using a compass, I drew concentric circles around the cupcake to frame it with symmetry and balance. I have started filling the mandala with intricate patterns. I filled in each layer with the repetitive mandala patterns. I used single layer patterns over here. I drew petals, curves, lines and dots. There is something truly peaceful about this part. Trust me, you will enjoy the process. Mandala drawing slows down your breathing, focuses your mind and gives you a break from the chaos of daily life. I feel very relaxed when I draw mandala. After completing the patterns, I will complete the outline of the cupcake and we will color the cupcake also. I used only black color in mandala so the cupcake will highlight accordingly. Can you check it? The patterns are so easy and they are looking superb in this mandala. Even I will write a quote on the paper above the cupcake, but in the end. So guys, don't skip the video and wait till the end to check it out. I hope you have subscribed my channel, or if you have not, like, share and comment on the video, please do the same. Once the outlines will be done, I will start coloring the cupcake using vibrant brush pens. So guys, are you ready to make a sweet cupcake with me? If I talk about the color selection, I chose yellow for the wrapper, warm and sunny. I used orange for highlighting the lines as well, because you know now, orange and yellow are the best combination. So let's make the chocolate stick and the strawberry. For the frosting, I went with pink to add a playful sweet vibe with tiny colorful sprinkles. The mandala behind the cupcake is kept in black and white to contrast the vividness in the foreground, a balance of calm and joy. Now let's talk about the significance of mandala art. Mandalas have deep roots in spiritual and cultural traditions, particularly in Buddhism and Hinduism. The word mandala comes from Sanskrit meaning circle. It represents wholeness, unity and harmony. In modern times, mandala art has become a powerful form of art therapy. The repetitive patterns and symmetrical designs help calm the nervous system. Drawing a mandala is like a journey inward. It helps you center yourself and release stress. That's why I love combining mandala art with cheerful elements like cupcakes They both spark joy, just in different ways. So here I wrote the quote, when stressed and in doubt, cupcake it out. I hope you liked the video and you have enjoyed the process while making this cute art. Thank you so much for joining me in this beautiful journey. Bye bye.